I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Honda Civic tire pressure light step by step. Start by ensuring all tires are inflated to the manufacturer recommended pressure, including the spare if applicable. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then press and hold the TPMS reset button until the light blinks. Drive the car at moderate speed for about 10 minutes to complete the relearn process. Make sure you have a tire pressure gauge and access to an air source before starting. Confirm the correct PSI from the tire placard inside the driver door or in the manual. Inflate each tire when cold and recheck the pressure to ensure accuracy. If a tire needs repair, address that first because the TPMS cannot be reset successfully with a failing tire. Keep the spare monitored as well. If you found this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful car tip videos. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which saves time so you can focus on maintenance tasks. I love how hands-free cleanup pairs with quick DIY car work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After inflating tires and confirming pressures, locate the TPMS reset button, usually under the dash or in the glove box area. With the ignition on, press and hold the reset button until the TPMS light blinks, then release it. Start the engine and drive at a steady speed for roughly 10 minutes so the system can recalibrate and relearn sensor signals. The light should turn off once the sequence completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.